हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल टेक्निकल धनश्री। तो आज के वीडियो में हम देखने वाले हैं व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ एचटीटीपी मेथड्स इन एपीआई टेस्टिंग। तो वीडियो को लास्ट तक ज़रूर देखें। उससे पहले लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल। तो चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। सो वी हैव अ डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ एचटीटीपी मेथड्स इन एपीआई टेस्टिंग एज लाइक गेट मेथड, पोस्ट मेथड, put method, patch method, delete method. So these all methods we are using in API testing. सबसे पहले HTTP, so HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol, and it is designed to communication between client and server. So in that we have different methods, and the first one is a GET method. So get HTTP method we are using for retrieving or hitting the data or hitting the resource which is already present in our database. So get method is used for the read the information, and in the get method we have a request header, request URL, request method. So in that get method we have not used the request body. Yeah. So next HTTP method is a post HTTP method. So post HTTP method is used for the creating the resource in our database. So let's take an example of a Facebook application. So in that Facebook application you wanted to create an account, and so in that you want data of your first name, last name, your mobile number, gender. So these all information you needed. So post HTTP method is used for creating the data. So you need to provide the request URL, request method, request header, and request body. So request body is must in post HTTP method. So in that body you have to provide first name, last name, mobile number, gender, everything you provide into the body. Then request URL, request method, then request header. So then hit the API, they are creating your account. So it is a post HTTP method. So next one is a put HTTP method. So put HTTP method we are using for the updating the resource. So let's take an example of Facebook application. In that Facebook application you are providing your first name, last name, mobile number, gender, and you want to update your mobile number. So in that case you have to provide a request URL, request header, request method, and request body. So in that request body you want to provide the all the information you are as like you want to provide first name, last name, and your updating mobile number, and after that your gender. So these all information you want to provide. After that hit the API, so your information is updated. So put HTTP method is used for the updating the data, in updating the information. So next HTTP method is a patch HTTP method. So patch is it is also used for the update or modify the information or resource. So let's take an example of a patch method. So in that Facebook application you have you want to update the mobile number. So in patch HTTP method you have to provide the request URL, request header, request method, and request body. So in that request body you just want to provide your updating mobile number. You don't want to provide all the information, first name, last name, gender. So you don't want to provide all the information, you just want to provide your updating the mobile number in the request body. After that you are hitting the API, and your response is creating your update mobile number is created. So yeah, next HTTP method is a delete HTTP method. So delete method, it is used for the remove the information, remove the data in our database. So let's take an example of Facebook application. So in that you have a your first name, last name, mobile number, and gender, and you want to delete the mobile number. So in that case you want to provide a request URL, request method, request header, and request body. So in that request body you want to provide the what information you want to delete it. So you want to provide the mobile number with the delete method. So after that you hit the API and your information is deleted. So this is a delete HTTP method. So what is the difference between patch and put HTTP method? So in a patch HTTP method you want to update the specific information, and in the request body you just only want to provide this updating the information. You not provide the all information. And input HTTP method, you want to in the request body you want to provide the all information, and you are updating the information you want to provide. So this is the difference between patch and put HTTP method. So and also interviewer ask what is the difference between post and put method. So post HTTP method is used for the creating the resource or creating the data, and put HTTP method, it is used for the updating the data or updating the information. So this is the difference between post and put method. So these all are the different types of HTTP method. We have many HTTP methods, but we are mostly using these five HTTP method: get, post, put, and patch and delete method. So this information is helpful to you, then please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and also comment to the video. मैं ऐसे वीडियो आपके लिए पोस्ट करती रहूँगी, तो कीप वॉचिंग. एंड ऑल्सो मैंने सॉफ्टवेयर टेस्टिंग के जॉब्स के बारे में भी वीडियो डाली है, और HTTP स्टेटस कोड के बारे में भी वीडियो डाली है. मैं लिंक्स डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूँगी, और मैं ऐसे वीडियो आपके लिए पोस्ट करती रहूँगी. तो कीप वॉचिंग. थैंक यू.